if you're an FNB user and you've been running into issues with transaction limits on the FNB, in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase your transaction limit. Whether it's for transfer, payments or online purchases, I'll guide you through the steps to raise those limits. First, open the FNB app or simply FNB website and make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Once you're in the app, look for the settings or profile section. This is where you manage your account and transaction preferences. Navigate to limit and security in the settings section. This is where you'll be able to manage your transaction limits such as your daily payment limit, transfer limits and ATM withdrawal limits. Now that you're in the limits and security section, you should see a list of different limit types like daily payment limit, online payment limit, transfer limit, ATM withdrawal limit. To increase the limit, tap on the one you want to adjust. From here, you'll have the option to increase your limit typically by selecting a preset higher value or entering a custom amount. After selecting your new limit, the app will likely prompt you to authenticate the change. This is a security measure to ensure that it's you making the request. Once you've successfully authenticated, you'll be able to confirm and save the changes. Now, your new limits should be reflected in the app and you're all set to make higher transaction or payments.